Fuck no, this will bite your pinky off. I like my pinky.
Wanna let him go?
Heads up, motherfucker!
Wait up, make sure you don't walk him. I know he's gonna turn.
Oh!
Just grab his butt.
Watch out, watch out. He got a picture.
Come on, get it. Give me. Get one.
Oh!
Going? Grab it. Yo, don't hurt it.
All right, put that motherfucker in the water, bro.
We're fire starters out here.
Bro, I feel like the ants just keep getting on my fucking leg, bro. Look how big this ant is.
I already noticed they got like fucking nuts hanging out.
Ramon, look at this ant.
Let me see how I burn it off.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now his Indian side's coming out.
Shut up, man.
You had to get past all the-
I ain't got no.
You wanna do it?
No, you got
Yeah,
it.
get some screen time, bro.
You got it. I want the screen time because your channel.
Are you high?
Come, nah.
You don't smoke?
No.
You just naturally, he looks high all the
This
time.
nigga lying like a...
Yeah, I don't smoke.
He told me like 3 times, bro, you look high. What the fuck is that?
That's
Good, that's his butthole.
Bro, that thing,
put it in
talking
there.
about loose, bro. That motherfucker loose as hell, bro.
Check me out, check me
In
out.
the ball, what do you mean, check you out? Oh! Oh, hell no. Freaky ass fish.